Fixing to grab the stool so I can sit.
I always get locked up like right here.
So
I get migraines.
she's C1 right
Come back
side.
towards me. There you go. You got a little bit of stuff on both sides.
I hold my attention up there.
Yeah.
It's terrible. Ew. Alright, you're going like this. I'm gonna pull you down just a bit. That way your shoulders are over the thick section. That was cool.
That's the money one for that upper back stress.
Nice.
Okay, now I'll set you up. Turn your head left and right. Alright, go face down when you're ready.
I feel like when you adjust me, Con, it doesn't like, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't pop like that.
I do a different adjustment.
Alright, keep your knees straight, okay? You're gonna lift this leg up in the air. Okay, put that one down. I'll lift the other one. It's a lot easier on that side, huh? So that's that SI joint all jammed up. Okay, turn on your side towards me. It's funny, man. I feel like it's 1990 with the socks like that now.
Oh my god. Jesus.
Let's go the other side.
Like a glow stick.
Yeah. So one of the big things, one of my mentors showed me, so in school they teach us we're all wide. He was like, bring it in close, so I'm compressing you, and I can easily drop in.
Yeah.
Go back on your belly. So we're gonna recheck that leg lift. So it should feel way more smooth. Right, pick either one. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So much better.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now stand up and tell me how you feel. Yeah, I feel like you're kind of floating on your hips.
Yeah. It's much better.
Yeah.
Much better.